Introduction: Your stomach's amazing job.
Every meal you eat starts a remarkable journey inside your body. The stomach is the key player in breaking down food and turning it into nutrients you can use for energy, growth, and repair. But how exactly does your stomach transform a sandwich or a salad into something your body can absorb? Let's find out, step by step.
Step 1. Arrival and mixing.
Food enters your stomach after traveling down the esophagus. Once inside, it meets powerful muscles that contract to mix the food, turning solid bites into a semi-liquid blend called chyme. This churning action helps evenly combine the food with digestive juices for the next stage.
Step 2. The role of stomach acid.
The stomach releases hydrochloric acid, creating a very acidic environment. This acid not only kills most harmful bacteria in your food, but also helps break apart the food structure, making large molecules easier to digest. This acidic bath is crucial for unlocking nutrients.
Step 3. Enzyme action.
Digestive enzymes, especially pepsin, go to work on proteins. Pepsin starts breaking down long protein chains into smaller pieces called peptides. Fats and carbohydrates begin breaking down here as well, but proteins are the main focus in the stomach itself.
Step 4. Preparing for the small intestine.
After hours of mixing and digesting, the partly digested food, now chyme, moves to the small intestine. The stomach slowly releases chyme through a valve called the pyloric sphincter. In the small intestine, further breakdown occurs, and nutrients are finally absorbed into the bloodstream.
Why it matters: nourishing your body.
The process inside your stomach is the crucial first step in getting nutrients from the food you eat. Without this breakdown, your body wouldn't be able to use proteins, fats, or carbohydrates effectively. Understanding how your stomach works can help you appreciate the importance of healthy eating and digestion.